Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello, food lovers and culinary adventurers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, where we explore the rich history, culture, and evolution of food from around the world. Today, we're diving into an exciting fusion of past and present with a topic that brings together authentic tradition and modern creativity. The best of both worlds. Traditional foods with a modern twist. Food has always evolved, shaped by migration, technology, and changing tastes. Some dishes stay true to their centuries-old roots, while others are reinvented in surprising and innovative ways. But what happens when we combine the rich heritage of traditional dishes with the cutting-edge techniques and trends of modern cuisine? In this episode, we'll explore how chefs and food enthusiasts honor tradition while pushing boundaries, giving classic dishes a bold new identity. From molecular gastronomy meets street food to deconstructed comfort dishes, get ready for a culinary adventure like no other. 1. Italy, carbonara, reimagined, traditional flavors in a new form. Traditional dish, spaghetti carbonara? A Roman staple, carbonara is made with just 5 key ingredients: pasta, eggs, pecorino romano cheese, guanciale, and black pepper. The creamy, velvety sauce is created through emulsion, not cream. Modern twist, carbonara foam and carbonara risotto. Carbonara foam instead of a traditional sauce, chefs now use foam siphons to create a light, airy version of carbonara sauce. Served over crispy pasta chips or even a sous vide egg yolk. Carbonara risotto. Classic carbonara flavors are reimagined in a creamy risotto, where arborio rice absorbs the rich, cheesy, and smoky essence of the dish. Why it works? Maintains the essence of carbonara while elevating texture and presentation. Appeals to fine dining and experimental cuisine lovers. Reinvents a classic dish without losing authenticity. Where to try it? Ristorante Aroma Rome, Italy. Offers a contemporary spin on Roman classics. Osteria Francescana, Modena, Italy. Michelin-starred innovation in Italian cuisine. 2. Japan, ramen evolution. From noodles to ramen burgers, traditional dish, tonkotsu ramen. Ramen is one of Japan's most beloved comfort foods, with slow-simmered bone broth, chewy noodles, tender pork, and soft-boiled eggs. Modern twist, ramen burgers and ramen arancini. Ramen burgers instead of traditional bread buns, chefs use crispy fried ramen noodles to sandwich tender beef patties, topped with miso aioli. Ramen arancini, a fusion of Japanese and Italian cuisine. These deep-fried ramen rice balls are stuffed with tonkotsu broth and pork belly. Why it works? Reinvents a sit-down dish into a street food favorite. Introduces new textures while keeping the umami-rich flavors. Appeals to both traditionalists and adventurous eaters. Where to try it? Go Ramen Tokyo, Japan. Famous for its ramen burgers. Momofuku, New York, USA. A hotspot for creative ramen-inspired dishes. 3. Mexico, the future of tacos. Tacos meets fine dining. Traditional dish, tacos al pastor. A cornerstone of Mexican street food. Tacos al pastor consists of marinated pork, roasted on a vertical spit, served in warm corn tortillas with pineapple, onion, and cilantro. Modern twist, deconstructed tacos and taco caviar. Deconstructed tacos. Instead of assembling a taco, chefs present the components separately. A tortilla, espuma foam, guajillo marinated pork, and pineapple spheres using molecular gastronomy techniques. Taco caviar, a luxury take where taco flavors are encapsulated in tiny caviar like pearls that burst in the mouth. Why it works? Elevates street food into fine dining. Introduces new textures and interactive dining experiences. Keeps traditional flavors alive in a new format. Where to try it? Pujol, Mexico City, Mexico. Renowned for its progressive takes on Mexican cuisine. Hoja, Santa Barcelona, Spain. Blends ancient Mexican techniques with modernist presentations. 4. France, reinventing the croissant. Traditional dish, classic butter croissant. A French pastry staple, croissants are made using a laminated dough technique, creating crispy layers of butter and flakiness. Modern twist, croissant cubes and croffles. Croissant cubes, these cube-shaped croissants are filled with custards, chocolates, or fruit preserves, offering a geometric twist on the classic croffles, a croissant pressed in a waffle iron, combining the flakiness of a croissant with the crisp texture of a waffle. Why it works? Maintains the buttery, flaky texture while adding new visual appeal. Makes croissants more portable and versatile. Perfect for social media and cafe culture. Where to try it? Dominique Unseld Bakery, New York, USA. Home of the original cronut. Loon Croissanterie, Melbourne, Australia. Specializes in experimental croissants. 5. India, a new take on curry. Traditional dish, butter chicken. Butter chicken is a rich, creamy, and mildly spiced Indian curry, slow cooked with tomatoes, butter, and aromatic spices. Modern twist, butter chicken mousse, and butter chicken bow. Butter chicken mousse, the classic curry is transformed into a light, airy mousse, served with naan crisps. Butter chicken bow, soft bow buns stuffed with butter chicken filling, merging Indian and Chinese flavors. Why it works? Keeps the depth of Indian spices, but presents it in a lighter, playful way. Expands Indian flavors into different culinary traditions. Appeals to both fine dining and street food fans. Where to try it? Indian Accent, New Delhi, India. Renowned for reinventing Indian classics. Dishoom, London, UK. Known for its modern twist on Indian comfort food. The perfect balance of tradition and innovation. The best modern interpretations of traditional dishes respect the original flavors while introducing exciting new techniques, textures, and presentations. Whether it's a deconstructed taco, a ramen burger, or a croissant cube, these creative twists make classic dishes more accessible, visually stunning, and even more delicious. Which of these dishes would you love to try? Do you prefer traditional classics or modern reimagined? Let's discuss in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more exciting food adventures.